What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Hey everyone, this is Stackman. Today our topic is all about how to get a super high score and block blast. This tutorial is a guide for getting a high score, but of course, you have to get better to get a high score in this game. First of all, always think ahead. Keep the board as balanced as possible. Avoid too many blocks on one side. Second, maximize your combos. Making a combo and block blast will help you get the higher score. Make sure that you maximize your combo and it will not create a gap, which is where we are going to the next topic. The third is to avoid gaps. Gaps can be very tricky, but it will be no problem when it comes to smaller blocks. In summary, make sure you're getting better at this game. Yes, at first it may be too hard to get a higher score, but that's fine because you're just a beginner. Using your strategy can be helpful, but once you get better, you will eventually get the high score you expect, or even more than you expected. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.